Hello, my name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757, just to take some time and to share a little bit of information. I have my notes, so I'll be going by my notes. I have been working on cars since I was 17, so about 32 years I was in the military and still doing it right now. I love to teach people, I love to help people, and I have no problem getting people where they need to go. I do one-on-one business consultations to people all over the country who wants to be a mobile mechanic. I have three tiers. If you already have your business and you're doing real well, you might need some documents, or you might be in the middle of trying to get better in your business. I have another tier, and then I have the third tier. If you're just starting from the very beginning, it all depends. This is going to be at the mobilemechanic757.com, the mobilemechanic757.com. The things I will talk about will be your business plan. What do you want your business to do? Are you part-time? Are you full-time? Are you trying to expand? Are you trying to get people to work for you? Or are you just trying to do it by yourself? Simple things like that. I also talk about your name. Your business name has to be completely unique. It can't be like everybody else. You need something that's very catchy and actually very easy to remember also. You also want to know if you want to be a sole proprietor, which puts all of the burden and any liability on you, or do you want to be an LLC? And then if you want to be an LLC, I tell you how to do it without a lawyer, and you just pay your state corporation fees. In Virginia, it's $100. You don't need no $600 or $700 lawyer to do that. You could do it yourself. You just pay the state corporation fee, and that's it. And then I'll tell you what you do beyond that. That separates you in the business, and I get it more in depth when you want the one-on-one consultation. I'll also talk about next, get your business license. The paperwork you're going to need for your business license. Also, you're going to need your EIN, which is your federal identification number you get from the IRS. You don't want to use your social security number. You want an EIN. And I explain how to do that. I also explain where to get it from. And the mistake I made, I hit a website and I thought it was a legitimate website, but it wasn't. So any mistakes I've made, I make sure I let you know so you won't make the same financial mistakes. I want you to go from beer money to champagne money. No ifs and buts about it. I'll also talk about the business number. You don't use your personal number. I tell you where to get a business number. When my days are off, which is on Mondays and Thursdays, my phone doesn't even ring. I then have a business number. It sends automatic messages, and if I missed a phone call, it's completely automated and it's completely business-wise. You don't want nothing on the personal side. You want to be an up-and-up business professional, period. I also go with the website. Whether you're on a budget or you have money for a website, I can tell you where to get one for free and where you can get one that is only going to cost you probably $30, $40 a month. But you definitely need a website 100%. And I get into a lot of examples of what needs to be done, and it depends on your budget. I also talk about different advertisement, Instagram, Facebook, Craigslist, and all that great stuff if you're on a shoestring budget, and about a little bit about marketing. And I also tell you about the SEOs, which is the optimization to get, for example, before we had the SEOs, I was in all 7 cities all over in Hampton Roads, Virginia. Now that I have my optimization, I stay in the peninsula area more so, and I save a lot of money and time. I don't mind going across the bridge, but the optimization narrowed me down to where I was at. Big difference. And I can do a lot more work versus sitting in traffic and burning up gas or stuck in the tunnel, whatever the case may be. I also talk about the paperwork. I have 9 documentations that you definitely need for your business, for protection, and to expound your business, to have policies, cheat sheets, so you won't have to be going through YouTube or all data. I have a lot of cheat sheets. I have disclaimers, the warranties, and all that's right here. It's nothing I downloaded on Google. All this is customized, and I haven't had any drama whatsoever with my paperwork at all. And it's also sold on the mobilemechanic757.com, and it's Microsoft editable, so you can go ahead and change it to whatever your business name is and to conform with your state regulations. Vehicle types, I talk about vans, trucks, type of trucks, shoestring budget vehicles, where I started from, etc., etc. And I also talk about the startup tools, which will be in the description of the startup tools. If you're just completely on the budget and you're just starting, you're going to accumulate a lot of tools, but you just don't want any kind of tools. You don't want any cheap tools that are going to break on you and cost you more money and time than it's worth. So I actually going to have that in the description for you. Also have medium tools, tools that are not too cheap and not too expensive, and it's going to get the job done 100%. The right tool, the right job, you move right in and you get in there with the right tool and you get right out versus trying to create things. And then you have the advanced tools. I'm talking about diagnostic machines and good tools. I also talk about pre-purchase used car inspections. In the 757 area in Virginia, no one does pre-purchase inspections, just our company. And a lot of people are buying cars, and it's like going to court without a lawyer. You definitely want somebody to check that vehicle out for you from top to bottom. You want the mechanical, you want the computerized, and you want the test drive, and you want to make sure it's not been in a flood, it hasn't been in an accident, and that will just expound your business 100%. We do it at 1 hour and 30 minutes. 30 minutes, we prep the customer, we give them our paperwork, and they know what questions to ask the seller. They know about the body language, and they also know about the dealers and their bogus fees and the legitimate fees and the questions to ask the dealership. And then we do the pre-inspection, which is going to be the hour. So we pull the customer to the side for 30 minutes. And trust me, the customer really appreciates it because they don't want to buy a lemon. And that is the worst thing they do. It's one of the biggest investments besides a car and et cetera, et cetera. Also, I talk about Amazon affiliation like we are. It's good money, and I go in it when I do the one-on-one consultation. Commercial account, Advanced, AutoZone, O'Reilly's. You want commercial accounts. So if you decide to sell the part, you're going to make money off of the part itself if you choose to. Also, if you want to help somebody, you can help them get the part a lot cheaper if that's what you choose to do. Also, when we're doing the business and I do the consultation, I talk about how to deal with the customers, what to say and not say. You just want to be professional 100%. So basically, when I do the consultation, it depends on where you're at in your business, and I want you to expound. And I also want to say, I wish to thank Scotty Kilmore. He's one of my inspirations of wanting to be a mobile mechanic and also simplified mechanic. Those two gentlemen are excellent examples that I went through to get me where I'm at. And I want everybody to know Simplified Mechanic and Scotty Kilmore is my inspiration. And hopefully one day I'll be your inspiration. And I want to pass on all the knowledge of the 30-something years that I've been doing this. If you like his videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.